Welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to continue looking at integers. So in this video, I'm going to look at the topic of multiplication of integers. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the rules you need to follow when multiplying integers, and I'm going to demonstrate how you can multiply integers using 4 examples. So watch this video up to the end as I'm going to share with you the knowledge of multiplication of integers. Let me start by sharing with you the rules we follow in multiplying integers. The first rule is when multiplying two numbers with the same signs, the answer is always a positive. So when you are multiplying two numbers which have the same signs, the answer will be always a positive. Even if the numbers you are multiplying are negatives, you are multiplying two negatives, the answer they will give you will be a positive. Okay, even if you are multiplying the positives, the answer you will get will be a positive. Rule number two is when you are multiplying two numbers with the different signs, the answer will always be a negative. So when you are multiplying two numbers which are maybe a negative multiplied by a positive, the answer will be always a negative. Even if the positive number is bigger or smaller, the answer will always be negative. Let me show you how you can apply these rules using these 4 examples. Okay, so these are the expressions we are asked to work out. So the first one is -7 multiplied by -3. Okay, so here we're going to use the rule which is the first rule, the rule number 1, which is when multiplying two numbers with the same signs, the answer is always a positive. That means we are multiplying two negatives, that means our answer will be a positive. So now we know that our answer will be a positive, so we ignore the signs and then we multiply 7 multiplied by 3, which will give us 21. So now with the rule it was saying when you're multiplying two numbers with the same signs, the answer will be a positive. That means it will give us the answer which is positive 21. Now when I write 21 without a sign, that means it's a positive 21. Okay, so we take it that in front of 21 there is a plus sign or a positive sign. Okay, let's go to question 2. Question 2, we have got -7 multiplied by +3. So you can either write a plus sign in front of 3 or you can just write 3. They all mean +3. Okay, so -7 multiplied by +3. Now the rule we are going to use is rule number 2, which states that when multiplying two numbers with different signs, the answer is always a negative. So this means that our answer was going to be a negative. We can write the negative like that. We can write 21, -21 like that. Okay, you can write the answer as -21 like that, because when you multiply 7 multiplied by 3 will give us 21. That means now, since we are using two different signs there, the signs are different, that means the 21 we'll get will be a negative. Okay, let's go to question 3. So question 3, we have got +7 multiplied by -3. +7 multiplied by 3. So now again here we can see that the signs are different. We have two different signs in this expression. We have a positive and a negative. That means rule number 2 will be applicable here. We are going to use rule number 2, which states that when multiplying two numbers with different signs, the answer is always a negative. So we are going to have an answer which is a negative. Okay, so we can multiply 7 multiplied by -3 will give us -21. Okay, now let's go to the last one, which is +7 multiplied by +3. Okay, 7 multiplied by 3 will give us 21. Now since we are multiplying numbers with the same signs, that means the answer will be a positive, which is going to be +21. So 21 will be the answer there. Okay, Now we have noted that when you look at the answers we have gotten, we have seen that whether you multiply two negatives, the answer will be a positive, or you multiply two positives, the answer will be a positive. When you multiply two negatives, the answer will be positives. It doesn't matter whether you're multiplying the positives or the negatives. If you just multiply two numbers with the same sign, that means the answer will always be a positive. Now, we have noted also that when you're multiplying two numbers with different signs, the answer will always be a negative. It doesn't matter the position they take or how big or small the number is, the answer is always going to be a negative. So those are the things you need to understand about multiplying integers. Thank you so much for watching. It has been easy learning Z Mathematics. The future is bright. See you in the next video, and God bless you.